Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Punzo, and if you're new here, welcome. So today we're going to be making a recipe of baked potatoes. So it's very simple, it's easy, it's just time consuming, but it's very simple and easy. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the post notification bell so that you can get notifications as soon as I post a new video. And guys, don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms, which will be down in the description box down below. So guys, without further ado, let's get into it.
Perfect.
Okay guys, so here we're just gonna be piercing the skin of the potato. So I just showed you one and then I did the other ones off camera. Then after that we're gonna be putting them in the oven to allow them to bake for an hour and 30 minutes. And then after that we took them out of the oven, I let them cool down, and then I made a hole so that I could take out the inside part of the potato so that I could mash. Guys, on this one there are 3 potatoes, yes, when I put them in there, but I'll only show you with one potato what I did after I took it out of the oven after it did cook. So these are big potatoes. For small potatoes you might have to use just less time. So after that all I did was I mashed the potatoes, the inside of the potato that I took out. And then after that I added in some butter, mixed that well. Then added in some milk, also mix that well. Gonna add in the cheese. And then I put back the filling into the potato. And then after this I just topped it up with the processed cheese, the sliced one, half of it. I put it back in the oven for about 15 minutes until all the cheese melted. And then so that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed that and you'll try that as well, and until next time, bye.